Hey everyone, Emery Parsons here from PDMG. Today I'm going to be walking you all through Amazon multi-channel fulfillment, what exactly multi-channel fulfillment is, some benefits of using this program, best practices, some potential things to watch out for, all that good stuff. So let's get started. So first, let's talk about what exactly is Amazon multi-channel fulfillment. Amazon multi-channel fulfillment, or MCF, is where Amazon is going to fulfill your orders for your sales channels at the same delivery speed as Amazon FBA, meaning you can actually use your FBA inventory to fulfill your orders from any channel where you sell, so even your website. What should you use multi-channel fulfillment for? Okay, so let's talk about why this might be a good program to use, why you would want Amazon to fulfill your orders for your other sales channels. So MCF provides e-commerce fulfillment services for businesses of any size. So, whether you're small, medium, large, they can accommodate anybody. By using this program, you will get access to the world's largest fulfillment network. Amazon has 150 fulfillment centers in the US and 175 across the globe. So having access to these centers is definitely going to help your business grow. And with Amazon, you do get a level of operational expertise, which is nice. Another great thing about using this program is because it's going to be fulfilled by Amazon, you'll be able to ship quickly to your customers every day of the week. And this is really important to the overall customer experience when they see that they can get things quickly. Piggybacking off of that, you can also offer free shipping to your customers, which can have a positive impact on sales for sure. It's a good way to keep costs down and remain competitive because MCF has just one fee to pick, pack, and ship. You do have the option to automate your fulfillment through pre-built channels or APIs, which we'll talk about again in a minute. And this will just really help streamline your inventory management. MCF has a tracking website. So here you can easily watch and track your shipping details and share them with your carrier. So everybody's on the same page. Another thing that's great about MCF is you will have Amazon backed delivery dates. This is going to be based off the customer's location and that order, but this will help you increase sales conversions. You'll also get access to automatic inventory placement, which helps get your products closer to the customers. Remember, Amazon has those 150 fulfillment centers across the US. So, getting your products spread out and closer to the customers is going to help you scale quickly and be ready to go for your seasonal spikes. And MCF means that you're essentially using your same Amazon inventory to fulfill your orders from other sites. So this is just going to save you time and just sort of simplify your operations. And lastly, MCF can help ease the process of fulfillment in other countries because MCF fulfills in Australia, Canada, all those countries listed there. So that's really cool too. Okay, so how would I go about setting this up if I already have inventory in FBA? So there are three main ways you can do this. You can just create a single order. So this means you would just create a fulfillment order one at a time through the MCF order creation page. Another way would be to do a bulk order. So this means you would just upload a spreadsheet to create multiple fulfillment orders at once. And then the third would be the automatic order creation. So what this means is you're going to connect your sales channels directly to MCF through pre-built integrations, for example, Shopify, or APIs, building your own integration. And here is going to be the full list of Amazon pre-built integrations that you can use. And you can also sync your inventory and tracking management apps too. So you can click this link and I'll include it down in the bottom, but we'll just pop over here really quickly to look at it real fast. So connecting your e-commerce channels, you can, see what websites are available, and then look at the inventory and tracking management too. So you might just want to kind of browse through this page here and see what's available. Okay, so we'll pop back over. And again, I'll include that link down in the bottom too for you guys to check out. Okay, so how would I go about setting this up if I don't have inventory in FBA already? Okay, so step one, you're going to need to create product listings on Amazon for FBA and then prepare your products. So this just means you need to have the correct packaging and labeling for sending your products to Amazon fulfillment centers. And then 3, just ship them to the fulfillment centers so that they're there. And just remember, regardless of how you're going about this process, where your inventory is, if it's in FBA already or not, you will need to connect to the MCF app and connect that app to your chosen channel. So for example, Shopify. Then, for example, you will need to connect your Amazon Seller Central account to your chosen channel, again, Shopify. So basically this just means you're linking all of these things together. You're linking your multi-channel fulfillment app, and you're linking your chosen channel, for example, Shopify, and you're linking your Amazon Seller Central account. Okay, so what does the process look like when I actually go to use multi-channel fulfillment? Like, how does this all flow through? So the first step, like I said above, is getting your inventory to the fulfillment center if it's not already there. Once that is done, a customer would simply go and place an order on an e-commerce channel like your company website, and then Amazon would fulfill that order. Amazon ships orders at 1 business day for priority, 2 for expedited, and 3 to 5 for standard. Okay, so fees. Fees for multi-channel fulfillment. There is a one-time fee that covers pick, pack, and ship, and you can download the rate card from Amazon right here. I also included it at the bottom of this PDF, so we'll look at it when we get down there as well. But the rate card is broken down by shipping time, unit order, and product size tier, so you can see what the fee is going to cost you when you go in to do it. Also, this is a good tip. You can download a fee calculator template at this same link right here. I will include it at the bottom of the video. But what you can do is just enter your data. You just have to enter like the ASIN of your product and then upload the template, and it'll calculate fees for your product. So that's another good way to look at it too. Okay, so tips for success here. It's a good idea to put either the phrase fulfilled by Amazon or the Amazon logo on your website because this just helps improve the customer shopping experience. They look at your website, oh, they see, the logo fulfilled by Amazon on there, and that creates a nice experience for them. So just remember another tip, you are responsible for handling the customer service for MCF, which means you need to handle the refund and return requests and inquiries. Another good tip is that MCF offers discounts of up to 60% on multi-unit orders. So we'll look at that again when we get down to the bottom of the rate card. Then just remember, Amazon does apply long-term storage fees for products that sit in their fulfillment center for more than 365 days. So if you do have something sitting in there for longer, you will get another fee. So just keep that in mind. Another thing is just keep an eye on your Amazon fulfilled inventory report because you might be eligible for like a reimbursement on a lost or damaged item. So PDMG, what we do here is we can help clients get set up with MCF and even help you like maybe test the program with just a few orders. We also advise clients on like which SKUs might be appropriate to fulfill with MCF. We also do inventory management here for clients, which means we help them maintain a balanced inventory level for products. Okay, so let's look at potential issues with MCF to watch out for. This is great. We'll transition into the inventory here. Okay, so inventory space, Amazon has gotten very particular with inventory limitations, and those limitations are changing all the time, which could impact how much inventory you can send into Amazon. So you just want to be strategic about it. Like we talked about right up here, we help maintain balanced inventory levels for our clients. Okay, so warehouse backlogs, another thing to kind of watch out for. Amazon has been known to get backed up in receiving containers and parcel packages. So that's just kind of something to keep in mind. Another thing to keep in mind is Amazon error. Amazon is error prone when it comes to receiving goods, transporting goods through the DC network, especially prone to error when it comes to returns going back to warehouses. So again, just, another thing to keep in mind. Okay, so the rate card with the fees, you can just kind of go through this here and check it out. But this is what your fees are going to look like for your standard 3 to 5 business days. And you can see the sizes over here on the left, and then your prices based on the unit order. And when you do multiple units, that's where we're talking about those discounts up there that you can get if you're sending a lot at once. Okay, so let's keep on going down. And then this is the same thing, but for the expedited 2 business day, and then priority, the fees for priority, and then the storage fees for dangerous goods, non-dangerous goods, and then calculating the fees. And I think that about covers it. So if you guys have any questions at all, please let us know. I will include those links down in the bottom and the link to our website and our LinkedIn as well. So be sure to check all those out and let us know what you think. Thanks so much.